Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Canggu area on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment during this pandemic corona on October 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Canggu area, the Kampung Bule in Bali. You see right side? It looks busy, isn't it? Lot of motorbike parking there. And there is some people working on the sidewalk. I'm really happy to see that. It is looks so busy in this area, isn't it? Lot of motorbike drive around in this area and some tourists driving on motorbike. Okay, now we turn right to explore Nelayan Street. Yeah, now we are in Nelayan Street. In this area, there is still lot rice field. So this area still looks so green. You can see on the right side, there is rice field. And also on the left side, there is a village temple. When the big ceremony, there is a lot of people come to this area to pray together. Okay guys, from Nelayan Street, we will explore the shortcut Canggu Street. This street is very famous, very small, but is connecting from Berawa Beach until to the Eco Beach. So this way, there's like a shortcut way. A lot of tourists drive around on this area. But I'm sorry, the road is not so good. So the camera are not so stable. Okay, now we reach Anggrek Street. It is not so busy, isn't it? There is some tourists driving on motorbike. That is good. Okay guys, now we are in Raya Street. You see the weather, it's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support this channel. And also, if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see right side? There is bar we call 555. It's very famous actually. Actually, in this area, there is a lot of hotel, restaurant, and bar. You see right side, there is a lot of motorbike parking there, and also left side. It looks so busy, isn't it? They are go to the small cafe, and there is the tourist driving on motorbike. Looks so busy. So as I told you before, Canggu we call Kampung Bule because there is a lot of tourists. Even during the pandemic corona, it's like village of Bule. Okay guys, from Raya Street, we will turn left to explore Pantai Berawa Street. You see on the right side, there is a lot of motorbike parking there. It is looks so busy around here because there is a lot of restaurant around here. You see right side? A lot more motorbike parking there on the restaurant. At the end of this video, I will explore Canggu Club. So we drove in past and we will see together how the situation right there at the moment in Canggu Club. You see left side? There is a lot more motorbike parking on restaurant. This restaurant called Vilava Stone Pizza. So if you want to have good pizza in Canggu, just come to the restaurant. That looks so busy because this restaurant is very famous. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Pantai Berawa Street and we will explore Canggu Club area. And now we are in Canggu Club area. You see the right side? There is a lot more motorbike parking. Also in this area we have water splash and tennis ball and also bowling for sport. see, it looks so busy at the front, isn't it? Because at the front right side there is Jipsi Fish Canggu and SUKSEMA Sushi Bar. It's very famous restaurant. You see right side, there is a lot motorbike parking there on the restaurant. Okay guys, now we turn left to explore Subasari Street. You see, so far there is a lot of tourists driving on motorbike in this area. Looks so busy, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Canggu area during this pandemic corona on October 2021. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.